I saw this idea on Pinterest, and I think it makes for great festive lighting. I'm on it. I have 6 wine bottles and a Cricut, and that's all I need to get started. I purposely picked 3 clear and 3 dark bottles. Here's my idea. The clear ones are like day, snowy winter scenes, and the dark ones are like starry night scenes, using the same 3 images. So this is like daytime, nighttime. With my Cricut, I cut out 2 village scenes and 1 forest tree scene, and also stars and falling snow. I cut this out on Dollar Tree removable vinyl because I'll need to remove the image. I'll be spray painting, of course. If you're new to my channel, I love spray painting. Any excuse, spray paint. The bottles, of course, had labels. I soaked and scrubbed not only to remove the labels, but also the glue. Now, the bottles are ready, my labels are ready, so I can put the 2 together. The starry nights and the snowy days are ready for spray paint. The paint is dry to touch. It's not fully cured. It's only been a couple hours, and this is the perfect time to start taking off the decals. If you wait too long, then like the decal kind of gets like glued to the paint and you can tear it. So this is the best time, except you feel like you're going to damage the paint, so you have to be a little bit careful. So how about we start taking one of these apart? Like not taking it apart, like taking off the image. Aww, it's a little house. Okay, let's take the rest of it off. The vinyl is all off, so now you can see my design. Let me just warn you, it does take a while to like pick these all off. So just get a movie or some YouTube ready and just slowly take your time. But the result is totally worth it. Now, they're super cute like this, but I'm not done. I went and ordered these fake corkscrews with lights, and let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, okay, I love the black, but you can't really see the, like my little houses. There's supposed to be a house there, but you can't see it. But, I mean, it's still super cute. So I really like how the corkscrew looks, but it's not super festive. Like this still looks cute. Like if you had it sitting like in your, like if you had like a wine area in your house, this looks really cute. But to make it festive, I think I want to sew little like Santa or elf hats, just to like for all of them. It's going to be super cute. So lights into all of them, and I'm going to sew my little hats. And then I just keep coming up with different ways to style this. So I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with these. They're just cute, and I don't know, I love it. So anyways, let's get some corkscrews into all of them and then sewing. Okay, pull up the tab, plug it in, well, pop it in and turn it on. Oh! That's so cool. You know what else? You could just fill them with like the little snow fluff so that it's white inside. That's also a cute idea. I measured around the opening of the wine bottle and added 1/2 inch as my sewing element. Using this measurement of 5 inches as the widest part, I cut out a triangle to use as a sewing pattern. The material I'm using has a frayed edge, which is perfect for little hats and means less sewing for me. After cutting out 6 triangles for the 6 bottles, fold a triangle in half and sew along the cut edge. Flip inside out and done. Easy! My bottles all have their hats on, but I want to add one tiny last detail. I picked up these little pom-poms. They're black, gray, and white, and I want to put a little pom-pom on each one. I'm thinking black would match the best. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So cute. Okay, and I'm gonna do this like the world's easiest way. Hot glue. The bottles are all done, and what a simple and adorable upcycle project. Now, I did just kind of hold down the hats and pinch them, and they stayed folded down. Not bad. And one thing I just wanted to mention, when I spray painted with the white, it took me twice as many coats as when I did the black. I don't know if this is because it was matte spray paint or it's because the dark bottles are just easier. I don't know, but I did notice that it took me probably 6 coats of the white while it took me only 3 coats of the black. Just something I noticed that I never noticed before. But I love my little villages and my little tree, my forest look, but of course you can do any design that kind of goes more with what your decor is. And speaking of decor, the last thing I have to do is style these. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and a share. And if you like the channel, subscribe. Happy decorating, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! For great festive lighting. Why am I talking so weird? I cut this out on Dollar Tree removable, whoa. I'll be spray painting, of course. Did I say of course? No, I better not say of course. I need to say it. Today is very busy in front of the house. You know why? Because I'm recording. When I'm recording, John Deere tractor pulling, oh my gosh, I don't know what, 2, 3 things they harvested. I don't know, it's like yellow. Like, it looked like corn, but like they already like bits of corn. Okay, it looked like a bunch of seed, like 3 big trailers of, I don't know. Anyways, that is not what I'm here for. Let's do some video.